Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where we make learning English easy and fun. Hello, my lovely students. Today, I want to help you take your English from B1 to C1 with a simple and effective study plan. I know it can feel like a big jump, but with the right method and consistency, it's absolutely possible. Let's walk through this plan together. First, let's talk about listening. Listening every day will train your ears to understand more natural English. Choose something interesting: podcasts, YouTube videos, TV series, or movies. The key is to listen actively. Don't just play the audio in the background. Focus on the words, the expressions, the pronunciation. Pause and repeat if you need to. Our channel is perfect for this kind of practice. Listen daily, even if it's just 10 minutes. Next is speaking. You need to use your voice to improve. Don't be shy. Use the shadowing technique we talked about in a previous lesson. Repeat what you hear and try to sound like the speaker. You can also record yourself and compare. Speak with a friend, a language partner, or even speak to yourself in the mirror. The more you speak, the more natural and confident you'll feel. Then, reading. Choose texts that are a bit challenging but still understandable. News articles, blogs, books, and subtitles are great tools. Read out loud to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Try to understand the meaning from context, not just translating every word. This helps your brain think in English. Writing is also important. Keep a daily journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, your plans. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to express yourself and build writing fluency. You can also try writing short stories, emails, or even social media posts in English. Now let's talk about vocabulary and grammar. Don't try to memorize long lists. Instead, learn words in context. Use them in sentences. Practice using new grammar structures in your writing and speaking. Make flashcards if you want, but always try to use what you learn. Finally, be consistent. Learning a language is not a race, it's a journey. Study a little every day. Make it a habit. Use our playlists to guide you. You don't need to study for hours. Just make sure you are practicing regularly. So remember, listen daily, speak confidently, read with purpose, write often, learn vocabulary and context, and be consistent. This is your path from B1 to C1. If you stay on track, you'll be amazed by your progress. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment sharing your favorite part of the plan, and subscribe for more lessons. Check out our other videos to keep practicing. I'm proud of you for taking this step. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.